Are you a realtor struggling to impress potential buyers with a pet-friendly home? You're not alone. Many buyers adore pets, but they also want to see a clean, welcoming space. Here's the secret. A spotless home can help you sell faster. Tidy Tech's Home Cleaning, a veteran-owned service in San Antonio, specializes in making homes shine before open houses. Our reliable team understands that quick turnarounds are key to impressing buyers. We tackle the tough spots, ensuring your listings are market-ready. A few tips: regularly vacuum to remove pet hair and dander. Use pet-safe products that are tough on stains, but gentle on the environment. And don't forget to declutter. A tidy space makes it easier for buyers to envision themselves in your home. Here's a quick tidy tip. Enhance your showing by opening blinds and turning on lights to create an inviting ambiance. A well-lit space highlights your home's best features, making it feel more comfortable for buyers. For a deeper clean and to ensure your home stands out, contact Tidy Techs today. Check the video description for more details and get in touch with us. Let's make those homes shine.